Your father, Donald
Yes.
Harris, also an immigrant,
Yes.
born in Jamaica,
Yeah.
an economics professor at Stanford.
Correct.
And let's keep in mind, she comes from some brainiac parents. Your mom got her PhD the year you were born.
Correct.
Just put that out there. So now your dad comes to the United States from Jamaica.
Yeah. My father was equally brilliant and is. He was a national scholar in Jamaica. He earned his way and up and out and came to the United States and to Berkeley to study economics. And my parents met when they were active in the civil rights movement.
Your father, economics professor, Stanford, they meet at Berkeley. They have you and Maya, and you loved going to the park.
Yes.
And your mom would, correct me if I'm wrong, would put limits on you in terms of like how far you could go, whatever. And your dad would say to you, run.
Yeah.
Run, Kamala, run.
That's right. He would say, do not be afraid. Let her go. Let her go. Let her run. You run as fast as you can. You run as far as you want. And I believe that his whole purpose was to say, do not be afraid and be fearless and run and run. And do not be afraid of falling. Do not let anybody stop you.